Okay, so this is 511, letter C. And this one says 2 to the x equals 9. Oh, how are you ever supposed to do this one? So, I can write 9 as 3 squared. That's not going to help me any though, because 3 is a different base than 2. So what I told Laura when I was working with her is I said, since you guys don't know your logarithms yet, you guys have to actually just try to start raising 2 to a power that comes close to 9. Sorry, that's what you get to do until we officially give you a way to undo exponentials, which are going to be logarithms that you'll get later. So, let's start with a good number that we think that might work. Like 2 squared would be 4, so it's going to be bigger than 2. 2 cubed is 8, so maybe it'll be 3 something. 2 to the 4th would be too big, wouldn't it? Because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. That'd be 16. So I'll bet I can use something like 3 point something. I don't know. What do you guys want to try? I'm going to go 2 raised. What do you guys want to raise it to?
I got 3.22. That's the closest thing I got.
Okay, yeah, because we know 2 cubed is 8. So 2 raised to the 3 gives me 8. So I want it to be a little bit more than 3. But I don't want it to be very close to 4, because 2 raised to the 4th is 16, and that's way too big.
I got 3.17.
3.17? So let's try 3.2 and see if that gives me... See how that gave me just a little bit more than 9? So I think that your 3.17 is even nicer. So 2 raised... So how perfect are you going to be? I don't know. 3.17. Ooh, that's very close. So I'll let you guys decide how perfect you want to be on this.
Probably do like 6, 8, 2. If you want to get even closer.
Yeah. I'm not really interested in... I want you guys to get pretty close, but you guys aren't going to be doing it this way for very long at all, because you're just going to learn how to actually just take the log of both sides, and you'll get a more exact answer. So for now, do you guys see what I did? I started raising 2 to powers until I got real close to 9. Okay? There's that one. And then let's do D. So letter D. Okay, so let's see if I can do this one. I don't know, is it recording? Maybe. So what can I do with this one? Does anyone have an idea? Yeah, change. Both of these can be written as base 5. Well, I'm going to take your word for it. I know that's 5 squared. Is that 5 cubed?
Yeah.
5. Okay, so I'm going to call this 5 squared. And I'm going to call this one 5 cubed. Okay, and now it's kind of that same thing that we had earlier. We got the same base. We got an equal sign. The only thing different is these exponents. But these exponents have to be equal because this equal sign says so. It says that these are equal. So I just take it over here on the side usually. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I take it over on the side and I just go 2x plus 2. See, I distributed it. Equals 3x. And then I could subtract 2x on both sides, and I'll get x is 2. Can anyone verify that one? Can I get amen? Oh, x is 2. Okay, so that was letter D, and then letter E. I wonder if I'll put letter E on this same recording. So letter E is 8 to the x equals 2 to the 5th times 4 to the 4th. Oh, goodness. Well, some people probably have ideas. Who has an idea?
Multiply them together.
Multiply them together. That's an idea. What idea? Is that what you have to, Bodie, or something else?
Put them down to 2.
Change the base to 2?
Change the base to 2.
Actually, we cannot multiply them together yet because the order of operations says you have to do exponents first before you multiply. So since these are both raised, we can't multiply them yet. But we can change them all. You can see that I can change them all to a base of 2. So this is 2 cubed. This one's already base 2. And this one is 2 squared. Kind of like that. And then I can say, well, these I can multiply them now because I got the same base. So isn't that where you add the exponents if it's the same base? That's a 2, by the way. So I got 2 to the 5 plus 4, 8. So I think if I haven't made any mistakes, 8, 13. Thank you. So then I think I have 3x equals 13, so x equals 13 over 3. And that's actually right. There you go. And
Very low.